Hello students, let's start a new chapter, that is triangle and its properties. So what is triangle? Triangle is a closed curve which is made up of three line segment. That means if three line segment join together, they form a triangle. This is a line segment, this is a line segment, and this is also a line segment. That means three line segment which form a closed curve is known as triangle. Let's know about the triangle. Suppose this is triangle A, B, C. Alright. So first of all, sides. A triangle has three sides. A, B is a side, B, C, BC is also a side, and CA is the side of the triangle. Next is vertices. We have read about the vertex, right? So vertices is the plural form of vertex. So vertex is the corner points of any figure. So in triangle there are three vertices, that is A, B and C. Alright. And now angle. So for the triangle there are three angles. We can say this is the angle, this is angle, and say this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay. So we can write the angle by two forms, like angle A, angle B and angle C. This is the one form of the angle. Next, how can we write in the other form? BAC. That means angle BAC. Okay. So BAC represent angle number 1. This, which is in between the other two vertices, is the name of the angle. Okay. So next angle is angle ABC. Third one is angle AC and B. Alright. So this was all about the triangle. Let's move to the properties of the triangle. So first we have median. Median. Okay. So median is any line segment which joins one of the vertices to the opposite side to the midpoint. This is very complicated. Let's study with a figure. So suppose this is the triangle. This is the triangle. Say P, Q and R are the vertices of the triangle. Now, if a line segment joining from the vertex P to the midpoint of QR, if this is the midpoint of QR, this line segment will be known as median. Okay. Now, if we talk about this triangle, okay, so this triangle is A, B and C. So, I want to make a median on it, so I will join this vertex to the midpoint of BC. So, this will be the median. AO will be the median of this triangle and PO is the median of this triangle. Now tell me, how many medians can a triangle have? Can you answer that? Yes, 3 medians can a triangle have. Why? Because we have 3 vertices, 1, 2 and 3. If I join this vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side like this, say this is the point D, so QD will also be the median. and if I join point vertex R to the midpoint of the opposite side PQ, then RE will be the median also. So from here we get that a triangle can have 3 medians. Alright. Now let's come to the next property of the triangle, that is altitude. So altitude means height. Okay. If we have a triangle, say this is the triangle P, Q and R. Now if any line segment, any straight line which form a 90-degree angle, which is perpendicular to the opposite side of the vertex, is known as altitude. Okay, is known as altitude. Any line segment which fall perpendicular to the opposite side of the vertex is known as altitude. Okay, so just like median, altitude are 3 on a triangle. Altitudes can also be 3 for one triangle. Like if I draw all these 3 altitudes of this triangle, we can have this is also an altitude. QD will be the altitude of the triangle. If I draw line this and this forms a 90-degree angle, then this is also be the altitude of the angle of the triangle. Okay, so the line which is perpendicular to the opposite line of the vertex is known as the altitude. Exercise 6.1 is related to with this concept.